Hello and welcome back to the Beer Dog Reviews. As always, I'm Chris and today I've got a cider for you. And this one comes from Orchard Pig and it's a can of their Reveller medium cider coming in at 4.5%. Now Orchard Pig, their designs are all fairly similar. Not a bad design. Just a little simple maybe. Like I say, 4.5%. This is a 440ml can. Picked this one up as a 4-pack. I think it was something like $4.85 or something for the 4 cans. So not bad really. So we'll get it out and see what it's like. Chilled this one right down. Being a sparkling cider. Whack it in the fridge, get it nice and cold. It's only my still ciders that I do like at room temperature. There we go. Obviously on first appearance it looks like a standard gold cider. Quite heavily carbonated there. Nice vibrant rich gold colour to the cider. See, being a sparkling cider and a gold cider at that, it's got really fast moving carbonation to it. Now obviously the way the year's been, it's very good to support local companies. Orchard Pig right here in Somerset. From just outside of Glastonbury actually, so not too far from me. Right, let's have a look. Smells quite dry actually. With ciders you can often tell whether it's going to be medium sweet, dry, just from the aroma. I'm not a big dry cider drinker, but let's have a look, shall we? Not too dry at all for me. It is definitely a medium. It's on the drier side of medium, but well within my levels if you like. The bittersweet on the back, that's quite refreshing. It's very crisp, it's very clean. So yeah, with ciders they're always going to be quite refreshing anyway. But being on the slightly drier side of the medium divide, it does have you reaching in for the next mouthful. Yeah, it's not bad. It's not the first Orchard Pig cider I have had, but all in all it's not a bad drink. Yeah, you could sit down easily, enjoy a few of these. You can feel that dryness on the lips actually. That's quite nice actually. It does make you want to have another go. Those of you that aren't used to the drier ciders, or even just a medium, and you're expecting it to just taste of apples, and yep, it does taste of apple, but it's got that bittersweet character to it. And sometimes you get a little bit of something else. This one's got a slightly citrus edge to it. Let's have a look, see if they do have anything on the can. Cider to shout about. A crisp, refreshing and lightly sparkling cider with a tangy hint of freshly squeezed lime. There we go. So I'm getting a slightly citrus note to it. Don't know what variety of apple they have used, but I expect it's probably got some sour apple in there. Something with a bit of crunch and bite to it, just to give that citrus edge, if you like. So, not a bad drink. Obviously, at the moment, very important to support your local manufacturers, whether that be beer or cider or anything else with the whole situation. Cheers to you all. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe down there. Obviously I'll be popping my links, as always, down in the description box for my Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. And I'll see you all again next time. Happy drinking.